Hey everyone, welcome back to Hangama Quiz. Imagine you building your dream home, but every room gives you two amazing choices. Soft and cute squishy theme, or colorful Pokemon theme. Which one will you choose? Let's find out. Before starting, smash the subscribe button and comment which theme you choose. Let's start building. Round 1. Choose your bunk bed. Dumpling bunk bed squishy or Jigglypuff bunk bed. Which one you choose? Choose your alarm clock. Dumpling alarm clock squishy or Pidgey alarm clock. Choose your helicopter. Dumpling helicopter squishy or Dragonite helicopter. Comment your choice. Choose your washing machine. Dumpling washing machine squishy or Rotom washing machine. Would you rather? Choose your water slide. Dumpling water slide squishy or Gyarados water slide. What did you choose? Choose your toilet paper. Dumpling bathtub squishy or Milotic bathtub. Choose your toilet. Dumpling toilet squishy or Wooper toilet. Choose your water tap. Dumpling water tap squishy or Squirtle water tap. Choose your perfume. Dumpling perfume squishy or Roserade perfume. Choose your night lamp. Dumpling night lamp squishy or Ampharos night lamp. Choose your bedroom. Dumpling bedroom squishy or Eevee bedroom. Choose your tent. Dumpling tent squishy or Eevee tent. Choose your house. Dumpling house squishy or Snorlax house. Choose your piano. Dumpling piano squishy or Gardevoir piano. Choose your water park. Dumpling water park squishy or Blastoise water park. Choose your massage chair. Dumpling massage chair squishy or Audino massage chair. Choose your TV. Dumpling TV squishy or Rotom TV. Choose your toilet paper. Dumpling toilet paper squishy or Togepi toilet paper. Choose your sofa. Dumpling sofa squishy or Slaking sofa. Choose your mirror. Dumpling mirror squishy or Espion mirror. Choose your food house. Dumpling food house squishy or Munchlax food house. Choose your fridge. Dumpling fridge squishy or Glacian fridge. Choose your door. Dumpling door squishy or Aegislash door. Choose your bookshelf. Dumpling bookshelf, squishy, or alakazam bookshelf. Choose your doorbell. Dumpling doorbell, squishy, or chancho doorbell. Choose your dining table. Dumpling dining table, squishy, or Appleton dining table. Choose your coffee table. Dumpling coffee table, squishy, or pseudo-wudo coffee table. Choose your home pool. Dumpling home pool, squishy, or Lapper's home pool. Choose your amusement park. Dumpling amusement park, squishy, or Toad Kiss amusement park. Choose your ice cream. Dumpling ice cream, squishy, or Vanillux ice cream. Choose your fountain. Dumpling fountain, squishy, or Vaporeon fountain. Choose your staircase. Dumpling staircase, squishy, or Lucario staircase. Choose your car. Dumpling car, squishy, or Maraudon car. Choose your gaming room. Dumpling gaming room, squishy, or Sceptile gaming room. Choose your armchair. Dumpling armchair, squishy, or Slowpoke armchair. Choose your roller skates. Dumpling roller skates, squishy, or Cinderace roller skates. Choose your playroom. Dumpling playroom, squishy, or Pikachu playroom. Choose your pillow. Dumpling pillow, squishy, or Marie pillow. Choose your backyard. Dumpling backyard, squishy, or Bulbasaur backyard. Choose your indoor roller coaster. Dumpling indoor roller coaster, squishy, or Goodra indoor roller coaster.